Hello guys, welcome back with the fifth and last puzzle of the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, February 22nd, 2022. I've already solved 4 puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4 stars, the Tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary puzzle. And now it's time for the last puzzle. The last puzzle is a Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix, and this will be number 4165. Yeah, 4165. And if you compare the Killer Sudoku mix with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Killer Sudoku, it's a 3 stars, because for a Killer Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. In this Killer Sudoku, we have 2 given numbers, the 7 and the 3. The 7 in the box of 10, so the combination here will be 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Here we have in the box of 11. The 3 is already filled in, so the other number should be the 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Alright, so my first strategy is to look for big squares. We have 9 big squares with only 1 sharing box. Here we have a big square with 1 sharing box. Here we have 3 sharing box. Here we have 1 sharing box. Here we have 1, 2. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3. Here we have 1. Here we have 2. And what you need to know is also the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Alright, so let me count all those numbers. Then I know what number this will be. Okay, so 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 17 is equal to 32. 32, so 45 minus 32 is 13. So these 2 boxes together should be 13. In this triple box of 16, that box should be a 3. 3 plus 13 is equal to 16. Okay. Then here we have 2. Here we have also 2. Here 1. Okay. If I count all these numbers together, then I know what number this will be. So 9 plus 11 is 20, plus 15 is 35. 35 plus 6 is 41. 41. So 45 minus 41. 40 is a 4. This box should be a 4. Yeah. In the box of 9, the combination will be 4 plus 5. Okay. Let me go down. Here we have 2. This big square have 1. Okay. No. 2. This one has 1. Okay. So 11 plus 10 plus 11 is 32. 32 plus 7 is 39. 39. So 39. So 45 minus 39. 45 minus 39 is a 6. This box should be a 6. In the box of 13, the combination will be 6 plus 7. Now, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. In this big square now, we have 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know these 2 numbers together. So 11 plus 7, 18, plus 10, 28, plus 6 is 34. So 45 minus 34 is 11. These 2 boxes together should be 11. In the box of 16, triple box of 16, and that box 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. Now in this big square we have 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I know what number this will be. So 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 plus 10, 38. 38 plus 5 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. In the box of 11, the combination will be 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Okay, now it will be difficult. My next, oh no, I can now continue with this column. This column has one sharing box. Okay, we have more columns or rows. Yeah. Let me count all these numbers. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 11 is 31. 31 plus 6, 37. 37. That means 37 plus 8 is equal to 45. Okay. In the box of 9, the combination will be 8 plus 1. Alright. Then, do we have more columns? With one sharing box or rows. Well, then the next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 3. Only one combination for the box of 3. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. The box of 4. Only one combination. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. The box of 16. Only one combination. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. Okay, let me see. No. Box of 3. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. Here. Well, then next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 options. 2 possibilities. Yes. Here, the box of 15, we have 2 possibilities, options. 9 plus 6 or 8 plus 7. Well, the 8 is already used, so it cannot be 8 plus 7 anymore. So 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6. Okay. 9 plus 6. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 1. Well, I cannot place the 1 in the box of 9. Otherwise, the combination will be 8 plus 1. Well, the 8 is already used here. So the 1 can only be in the box of 6. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. Yeah, 2 and the 7 are missing. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. Okay. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay. Let me see. 7. Yeah. 7. Okay. 3. Yeah. Well, in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, or there. Well, we see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or there. If I place the 3 in a box of 10, then the combination will be 3 plus 7. The 7 is already used in this big square. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, in this triple box of 16, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Yes, 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Yeah. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, don't need to place left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 4. We need a 4 in this triple box of 21. But we see here 4 in this column. So no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Well, cannot fill this yet. Okay. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be here in the box of 7. The combination will be 2 plus 5. Okay. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. The highest number I can use is the number 9. So only box left for the 1 should be here. In this triple box of 15, those two boxes together should be 14. Okay, dog. 5, 9. Yeah, there are two combinations for the box of 14. 9 plus 5. We already used the 9 and the 5. And the other option is 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. So here should be 8 plus 6. So one digit left in this row should be the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Okay, so here we have a pair 8 and a 6. 8 and a 6. We have a 6 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So here cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be an 8. And that box should be a 6. One box left in this row for number 8. 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. In this triple box of 21, 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. Okay, so let me think. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. In the box of 12, the combination will be 8 plus 4. Now we have 2 boxes left, the box of 11 and the box of 9. One of the missing number is the number 2. Yeah, the 2 is missing in this big square. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 9. The 9 is already used, so the 2 should be in the box of 9. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 will be the combination. We see here the 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 5. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. We have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 6, of course, otherwise 6 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. The lowest number I can use is the number 1. So the 6 should be here. In the box of 11, the combination will be 6 plus 5. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. In the box of 10, the combination will be 9 plus 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 and the 4. Okay. Okay. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes here. 8 plus Well, 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. You see an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. If I place the 8 in the box of 9, then the combination will be 8 plus 1. The 1 is already used. So I cannot place the 8 here. The 8 is supposed to be there in the box of 11. The combination will be 8 plus 3. Okay. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. You see there, 3, no 3 there. Here, 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. In the box of 11, the combination will be 3 plus 8. Okay, now we have 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers 1, the 2 is missing. In the box of 7, the combination will be 2 plus 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and the 9. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9, okay. 1 box left in this row, the middle row for number 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Okay. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. In the box of 9, the combination will be 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, okay. In this triple box of 19, 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes, and then now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and 7, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 9. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. That means in this triple box of 17, those 2 boxes together should be 14. 14 plus 3 is 17, okay. Let me see. Do 2 numbers left in this column for number 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. Well, I cannot place the 7 here because we already have a 7 in this row. So the 7 should be here. In this triple box of 16, 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. So 2 numbers left. In this big square for numbers, 9 is missing, and a 5 is missing. Yeah, the 9 and 5. 9 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow, wow, wow. 3 stars. Well, quicker than I've expected. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes. Yeah, I'm analyzing those numbers for 4 weeks. So here we have 517, 517, 876, 876, and 793, 793. Here we have a triple pair. 93867. Yeah, triple pair. 1 triple pair. Wow. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yes, on Wednesday. Another day, another edition with a lot of puzzles. See you then. Bye bye for now.